Hi friends, I'm going to be showing you a dot mandala art on this coaster. I've drawn these grid lines. Okay, so let's get started. I'll be using only two colors for this project, only black and white. So let's get started with the necessary tools. These are the pointed tools for small dots, and these are the flat-headed tools for various sizes of dots. Alright, I'm doing this project only with white and black. Alright, sorry, that was not white. Here's the white bottle. So let's get started. Taking the very finest point tool with these tiny dots. Here we are. Now we go to the next size dotting tool, one size bigger than the previous round. We continue doing this with bigger and bigger dots. The dots grow bigger with every circle, so just continue doing that in the same vein and we'll get back. All right, so here we are, friends, with all white dots, with the sizes increasing for every circle. All right, so let's let this dry completely before proceeding further. All right, hope you like it this far. I'm sure you do. Stay tuned. We are done with this portion, friends. Let's move on to the next level. All right, we start with the smallest of dots. We've done white and black, white and black, white and black. Now we need to go back to white. We start with the smallest of white dots throughout. I mean, start from here, and the size of the dots will keep increasing. All right, we start with white. So we have done the second and the third line. Now move on to the third, fourth and fifth. So here you go. Alright, so we are done with this. Let's move on to the next step. Let's place a single black dot in the center. Head now. This is what we are doing now. These are the tikkas we have just done now. Move on to the next line or circle rather. Let's see what we can do there. Just dots around these discs here in the next circle. Thus we go on this full round and complete the circle and get back. Let's move on to the next. This is how we do this pattern all around. Okay, so let's complete that. This is how it looks for now. Minor corrections here and all. The circle is not even at this point, so I'll correct that later and show you the final view. Alright, like it so far? I'm sure you do, friends. Can't wait to try it out, I suppose. Well, go ahead and do it and share your project with me. Here we are, completed the circle with dots all around. To move on to the next step. This is what I just done. Need to do this all around. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 spots. Here we are. Let me see how else I can enhance it. I think I'll just go around these dots with smaller dots. Let's see how it looks. So done with tiny dots around here. So this is it, friends. Turned out quite well, hasn't it? I surely like it. So I hope you like this project as well. Stay tuned for more, and please do subscribe to my channel and share with all your counterparts, your family, friends, colleagues, whoever, and request them to subscribe to my channel as well. Alright, so stay tuned. Thank you. Bye bye.